Have you ever wondered how global entrepreneurs, investors, and high net worth individuals legally reduce their taxes while growing their wealth? The secret lies in offshore banking. But what exactly is it? Offshore banking means holding financial assets in a foreign jurisdiction, often in countries with low taxes, strong privacy laws, and business-friendly policies. It's not just for the wealthy. Digital nomads, business owners, and freelancers all use offshore accounts to reduce tax burdens legally, protect their assets from political and economic instability, expand global investment opportunities, gain financial privacy and security. In this video, we'll break down the best tax-friendly countries for offshore banking, how to open an account, and key compliance requirements. Let's get started. Offshore banking isn't just for the ultra-rich. It's a practical solution for anyone earning or investing internationally. Here's who benefits the most. Entrepreneurs and business owners. To legally reduce corporate taxes and access global markets. Investors. To optimize capital gains, dividends, and tax-efficient investing. Digital nomads and remote workers. To manage international payments and currency risks. Expats and high net worth individuals. To diversify wealth and secure financial privacy. Not all offshore banking destinations are created equal. Here are the best tax-friendly countries where you can open an offshore account and legally reduce your tax burden. United Arab Emirate, no personal or corporate tax, strong financial privacy. Singapore, no tax on foreign-sourced income unless remitted, stable banking system. Switzerland, strongest financial privacy laws, no tax on foreign-earned income for non-residents. Bahamas, no personal or corporate income tax, business-friendly environment. Panama, no tax on foreign income, highly confidential banking system. Malta, non-domicile tax system, allowing reduced taxation on foreign income. Mauritius, no capital gains tax, low corporate tax rates. Each of these destinations has unique advantages, so choosing the right one depends on your financial goals. Now, let's compare these offshore banking jurisdictions in detail so you can decide which one suits you best. Opening an offshore account is easier than you think, but you must follow the right steps. 1. Choose the right jurisdiction. Select a country that fits your financial goals. 2. Gather necessary documents. Passport, proof of income, business license, if applicable. 3. Select a reputable bank. Look for banks with strong security and tax benefits. 4. Ensure tax compliance. Report offshore accounts where required, FATCA, CRS, etc. Offshore banking is a powerful tool that allows you to legally optimize taxes, protect wealth, and ensure financial privacy. The right choice depends on your personal and business goals. If you're looking for zero-tax personal banking, consider UAE or the Bahamas. If you need strong financial security, Switzerland and Singapore are great choices. If you want business-friendly offshore banking, Panama and Mauritius offer excellent benefits. Before making any decisions, consult a tax expert to ensure compliance with your country's regulations. Found this video helpful? Like, comment, and subscribe for more expert financial insights.